Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2008 T31 Nissan X-Trail ST. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 to the 12th month 2013. This vehicle is fitted with a QR25 2.5 litre petrol 4-cylinder engine, backed by an all-wheel drive 6-speed manual transmission. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left hand front door appears to have no damage. Left hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, right hand tail light, factory 16-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. Right hand power door mirror, factory 16-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Right hand front has a good tyre. Right hand headlight, right hand front guard appears to have no damage. We have the factory power window switch, master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory cloth black interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy center console, manual transmission type, tidy gear lever, factory air conditioning standard controls, single stack CD player, we have the interior mirror, left hand sun visor in tidy condition, tidy right hand sun visor, manual transmission, instrument cluster, and a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.